Hi guys, how to create this fashion magazine poster design effect in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl plus J to create a duplicate copy of your image. Next, select the rectangular marquee tool and make a rectangular selection on the area where you want to create the magazine style effect. Hold the Shift key if you want to add more selections. With the selection active, press Ctrl plus J to copy it onto a new layer. Now go to Filter Pixelate Color Halftone. Adjust the settings to get the halftone pattern you like, a maximum radius of around 10. Set all channels, screen angles, degrees on 100. Next, open the layer style by double-clicking the halftone layer. Enable stroke and adjust the size to create a clean border around the effect. Now it's time to add text on the poster. I will add average text style. You can make more perfect, select the type tool, and add your headline, subtitle, and any additional text you want. Arrange the typography to create a modern editorial layout. Enable some of the setting and adjust the setting. To make the text stand out even more, you can apply a subtle drop shadow from the layer style panel and adjust the settings to match your design. After adding all text, that's the final result. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.